Hey, I'm Coulson Armstrong. Today we are making an inspired Newfoundland lobster roll. Butter, water, salt. In the other pan, getting some butter, spring garlic. That's gonna add like a really garlicky but also fresh flavor to it. Save the bottoms, we're gonna pickle those guys. We steam it, break the tail and the claw, cook them separately. And here we're gonna turn down our heat to low medium, and we slowly just wanna emulsify that butter. Here you wanna take your buns, and we're just gonna absorb all that good fat and butter, and having all three in there, we're starting to see our caramelization. I'm just gonna flip these buns around, but that's exactly what we're looking for there. But as soon as you kind of see that butter melting, you know you're in a good spot. Lemon juice, just a touch of hot sauce, really pouring in heaps of buttery, just a sprinkle on top, one more lemon juice, and some flaky Maldon salt. Ready for summer.